guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I finally got my August Gobstone Alley flying parcel. So pumped. I had contacted them via email a couple times, and days later I would get a response, and I just think that from what I've heard is that they are growing rapidly, and it was just really hard to keep up with the influx of new clients and everything. So they have relocated everything. They sent out a update for this. So it's finally arrived today. So I'm just going to get right into it because I'm super pumped, and I have not looked at anything in this because I just got it and I'm filming it right now. So we're going to go ahead, open it, and I love how it says Muggle worthy there. And it looks like a little suitcase. So we're going to open this right up. Now, last time I got one, I chose Gryffindor. This time I chose Slytherin because, like I said, I was sorted twice, and I wanted to see what a Slytherin would be like. So, got rid of that. Let's open the first thing. It looks like it's a wearable. So, I'm just here for Muggle Studies project, trying to figure out what exactly is the function of a rubber duck. So there's that. I will say, their shirts are not my favorite. These are not something I would wear out or whatever. I'd probably wear this just to lounge around in, but it's so cute. I am just here for a Muggle Studies project, trying to figure out what exactly is the function of a rubber duck. So, if you don't know, Mr. Weasley says that when he meets Harry Potter for the first time. So, there's that. And then we have... Okay, great. Okay. We have our goodies. So the first thing that's on top that I see that is not covered is a pin. And I want to say this is Beauxbaton's Academy, where Fleur de la Cour is from, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure. We'll see, though. They give you an insert with everything. So that's pretty cute. I want to get a pin board. I haven't gotten one yet, but I will. So I'm going to get rid of some of these little thingamajigs. I see our Cozy Elves tea, magical drinks and sweets. Neville's hand-picked flower tea. Ingredients are, I can't read. I think this is oolong, red tea, jasmine flower, and elderflowers. 1 heaping teaspoon a mug. Brew temp 190 Fahrenheit, 88 Celsius. Brew for 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm gonna smell it. Maybe. If I can open it. Oh! Okay. That's not bad. Look at all that. That's not bad. I will say I'm not much of a cheap tea drinker. I do like having this, though. Makes me feel more proper, whatever. Next thing, okay, I'm just going to grab this because it's in this little bag. I'm going to open it up. This is cool. Take a bath and take the egg with you. What does that mean? Okay, and it looks like it opens. Oh, it's bath salts. It's bath salts. See? Okay. It is bath salts, which is good for me because I love taking baths. This is cool. I didn't know it was going to open like that, but, whatever. Also, I'm in a makeshift recording. I'm in my office, but we're doing floors in our house, so we sold our table set and a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, I'm on the floor here because I need a chair. Anyway, so there's that. That's cute. Next, let's just go for this. Nice little packaged thing. I'm assuming this is a candle, but I don't. I have been known to be wrong in my life. It is a candle. Yes, it is. Académie de Beauxbaton. So, Beauxbaton's Academy. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh, look at that. And it's got bits of flour in the top. Ooh, that smells so good. And these are the Incendio candles. They're handmade and 100% vegan. Let's do it on the fly-in. Cool. This is so exciting. It smells so good. It's like a floral fresh scent, which is not like my first choice of scent, but I will say it smells pretty good. All right, I'm gonna grab this thing. What is this? Oh, it's a bag. And it says, Gringotts, Ollivanders, Pottage's Cauldron, Slug and Jiggers, Apothecary, Flourish and Blots, Amanuensis Quills, and then there's Missing a Check to Hogwarts, because this was August box and September is when term starts. So that's pretty cool. I probably will use this because I love it. I love bags, just of all sorts. Oh, okay, cool. So we got jelly slugs. Oh, that's so exciting. I have not tried these yet. I've only tried the chocolate frog and the Birdie Bots every flavor beans. So this is exciting. I'm super pumped. I kind of don't want to eat them. I just kind of want to like display them, but I know that I probably should eat them. All right, just like last time we got a little coaster, this one is full Slytherin. I like that. I like having the coasters in here because it allows me to bring in sweaty drinks. That sounds weird. Okay. Next thing. Oh, this is so cool. It's a little Felix Felicis bottle. Brewed in September 1996. Oh, I love it. Doesn't really smell like anything. I think it's just for show. But that is so cool. I love having this kind of stuff on my shelves. Oh, that's so exciting. Okay. Next, we'll get this. Set of 4 tins. All right, let's see what these are. Does it say on the back? No? Let's see, shall we? Okay. Looks like they're just like little reusable tins. So one is the Marauders map. Looks like this is all like kind of themed around the 4th book, Goblet of Fire, which is cool. It wasn't my favorite. I think my favorite is Prisoner of Azkaban, but this is fine because at least Sirius was alive in this one. 422nd, oh my gosh, 422nd Quidditch World Cup. Little tin. I'm not sure what I'll use these for, but I'm sure I could do like bobby pins. That's a good thing I could use it for. My gauges, when I need to transport them, I could use that for. Used for that. Next we have Hogwarts Express, platform 9 3/4, little tinny tin. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna be able to get this last one out. Oh, come on. I'm just gonna open this side. Then. Oh my gosh, I don't like tearing boxes. Okay, there we go. I'm fine. Okay. This one is potion number 86. Contains powdered moonstone and syrup of hellebore. And a bunch in another language. Extremely poisonous. Little tin. So that's cool. I like this. This is cool. I like that it's... I did think it might be a smidge better, but I mean, this is really... I think I'm just like dying at this. I think this is so cool. So, okay, there's that. Next thing, we have a 9 3/4 keychain, which I will be using because I love keychains. I have a problem. One day I'll show you my keys. It'll be great. Let's go ahead. Next. Aw, Muggle Studies. I like that. I'll hang that like here somewhere or something. Cool. I like that. I like little hangable stuff. I'm going to take the casing off so you can get a better view. This is all about going back. Starting a new term. Cool. Okay. I think this is the last thing. Last thing. I'm sad. Ollivanders. Let's see what it is. And it's a tin. I thought something was going to be in it. No, it's just a tin. But I will say I can use this for like pencils and stuff, but I really thought something was going to be in it. I got really excited. Alrighty. Oh, I got 2. Flying Parcel 8/2018. Let's see. T-shirt. It's a fair trade tee with custom print. Creature says you better don't wash it above 50 degrees Celsius. 2 licensed set of tiny boxes. 3 for Fleur de la Cour's Dragon Egg Expired Bath Salt. Ingredients are Death Sea Salt, Epsom salt, citric acid, cornstarch, organic almond oil, and betanin. 4 is the Incendio candle, Beauxbatons jasmine, fresh cotton, and blue bottle. I knew it was like fresh cotton or something. 5 licensed platform 9 3/4 key ring. 6 licensed house crest cork coaster. 7 black cotton shopper. 8 licensed pencil case from Ollivanders. 9 Beauxbatons metal pin. 10 licensed Muggle Studies metal sign. 11 Cozy Elves tea, Neville's favorite tea, hand-picked blend of healing flowers and green oolong tea. 12 is Bottle Felix Felicius, magical potion that will make your day lucky. And the 13 jelly slugs. Cool. Trying to gather my thoughts on this because I'm not blown away like I was the first box that I got. I think back in June or July. Yeah, June. With this being so late, like this is like 2 months late, I kind of expected a little bit more. And I hate saying that because I don't like talking bad about companies or people or whatever. I just expected a little bit more. I mean, while there's more licensed products than usual, I appreciated like the handmade things that they had. So all in all, this is great. But I don't know, I expected a little bit more. Not like more things, but like better thing. I don't know. I'm happy about it. I'm happy. I'm gonna order October's box, but we're in October's. Hopefully I've made the deadline. We'll see. But yeah, I'm happy. I think my favorite thing will probably have to be the bag. Sorry. I'm all about bags. I love bags. So this is something I could definitely use on a daily basis, either for like bringing some like my stuff to school or to work or whatever. But yeah, I mean, all in all, I'm happy. It wasn't as good as my first one. Maybe mine was, I just got a really good first one. Like I came at a good time. I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you thought. I don't want to sound like a spoiled brat. I really don't, because I'm so fortunate that I can pay for this every couple months and stuff. I'm a little disappointed. Not a lot, because I've been waiting for this. I'm super excited. But just a little bit. I feel like I've seen and had better Gobstone Alley boxes. Anyways, whatever. What can you do? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite item was. If you got this box and what you thought. If you're going to order more. And don't forget to subscribe to see more really cool videos, because I'm a really cool person. I'm actually just a really nerd-y person. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.